everyone, welcome to another episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh. And in this episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh, we are going to unbox the Elder Scrolls Online Morrowind. So I got this video game from Walmart on clearance for $3. That is right, $3 from Walmart. If this wasn't on clearance, this would cost me $19, as you can see there. Today we'll be unboxing this thing and checking this video game out. But before we do, let's go ahead and take a look around the box. So here it is. Here's the Elder Scrolls Online Morrowind. Here's the cover art of the video game. This game is for the Xbox One, as you can see here. Here you can see this emblem. This game is rated M for mature. On the bottom right corner of the cover art, it says this includes the Discovery Pack. And here are the game developers. This video game requires Internet and Xbox Live Gold membership. So here's one last look at the cover art, the Elder Scrolls Morrowind. And now let's take a look on the side of the game case. On the side of the game case, it says the Elder Scrolls Online. And let's take a look on the back side of the box. So here's the back side of the box, which I'll be reading this out aloud. This has 4 screenshots, as you can see there. 4 screenshots. And now let's take a closer look and see what this video game is about. Save Morrowind. Morrowind is on the verge of destruction, and it's up to you to save it from a direct threat. Embark on a dangerous journey through legendary locales, from volcanic ashlands to mushroom-filled forest. And here's the 3 screenshots. Become the Warden. Harness the nature-based magic of an all-new class with a warbearer battle companion at your side. Very interesting. On the next description, it says PvP Battlegrounds. Take the battle to the Ashlands with new 4v4 players by player combat set in competitive arena-style environments. And for the next description, partner with an assassin. Aid a legendary elite member of the Morag Tong who will guide you through deadly political intrigue. So that's what this game is about. Let's take a look at the specs. Here are no specs, but this requires 85 gigabytes of storage on your Xbox hard drive. Here it says 1 to 10,000 Xbox Live players. This is the reason why it's rated M for mature. Blood and gore, sexual themes, use of alcohol and violence. And here's the barcode. You want to look this particular video game online. And here's one last look at the outside of the game case. And with that being said, let's go ahead and unbox this thing. So I have already removed the plastic wrap. And the next thing that we need to do is peel off the Xbox Certificate of Authenticity. One of my favorite words, authentic. So let's go ahead and take it out. So here's the Xbox Certificate of Authenticity. That's been peeled off. Add that to your collection. And now let's go ahead and unbox the Elder Scrolls Online Morrowind. So here's what you're going to get once you open up the game case. On your left side, you have the game disc. Here's the design of the game disc. Rated M for mature. Here's the title treatment. Here's the artwork of the game disc. And on your right is a digital game code, game add-on download for Xbox Store. Do not discard. Digital game code includes the Discovery Pack. And here's a closer look of the artwork from the digital game code, same as the cover art of the game case. And here's some advertisement. Play for free, legends.bethesda.net. Elder Scrolls Legend, a strategy card game, rated T for teen, developed by the same company. And here's a backside, which features another video game, the Elder Scrolls Online Crown Store. Personalize your adventure. Get even more with SO Plus membership. Gain access to all DLC game packs and benefits from in-game bonuses. And you can visit their website at the bottom. Pretty interesting here. And just want to say that I know nothing about the Elder Scrolls Online. I got this for $3, and I just want to see if this game is interesting. So here's the rest of the product. Let's put that back into its place. And here's the game disc design. Let's take a closer look at the game disc design for the Elder Scrolls Online Morrowind. And beneath the game disc is the game controls. Let's put that back in. And here's a closer look at the game disc design for the Xbox One. And yeah, so let's close this up. That's about it for this episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh. If you like this video, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below on what you think about this video game. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be sure to check out my other YouTube content that is on this channel. And thank you for watching Unbox with Alex Trinh. I'll see you on the next one.